Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here this week to do the last installment for the book of Judges. So we did Judges overview, and then we did Samson. Yes, as I've said 1,000 times, I'm not an artist, and sorry about the sound quality. I'm just using my cell phone until I can get another one that's going to sound like that, but doing the best I can. So this is Samson, not the most masculine looking one, but you know, this is Gideon. I'm not an artist. I am just trying to capture some notes and some images, whatever comes to my mind. So the last one I want to talk about, Judge, I want to do Deborah because she was a little bit different. So I'm going to, whatever I'm going to do, and then I will put it on fast speed so you guys can see me make whatever. And then we'll come back and talk about that. Okay, so this is my final. So again, this just says, just a few things about Deborah. We know that Deborah was a judge in Israel, excuse me. She was appointed by God to be a judge. But what was different about her was that she was a woman. She was married to Lapidoth, if I said his name correctly. She oftentimes judged under a palm tree, which made her actually the only judge who actually acted like a judge in the legal sense. That meant she also walked in wisdom. She was also known to be a prophetess. This is supposed to be Barak, and we know about King Jabin and Sisera. They were wicked, and she spoke to Barak, and commanded him to go forth in battle. And they got the victory, and she sings and she worships. So that's just some of the things that was different about her, is that she was really the only judge that was a real judge. She judged matters, and she wasn't afraid to speak with thus saith the Lord and lead them into success. So yeah, so I think that's very interesting for, you know, women sometimes don't think God can use them. I do think leadership roles are for men, but God can use women. You know, we always say women are the neck and the man is the head. But anyway, so this was a beautiful story about her and how she sat under a palm tree. And you think of a palm tree has so much strength. They connect their branches together. That's how they can withstand those hurricanes and those storms, is that their roots go really, really, really deep, and they connect to the other ones so they can hold each other up. So that's what's neat about a palm tree. And she was that woman, that prophetess that sat under a palm tree, and that judge and judged Israel. So that is what I'm going to put down for today. And today is, I'm going to say 4:10. Today is 10:10. So, yeah. So that's my rendition of Deborah. So we are finishing the book of Judges, and we're going to go on to the next in our history lesson. And I will see you next week. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to read God's word. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.